Hi everybody, and this is the new car seat I got. This is the big babies in it, but it's too big I think. And it has animals on it. It is a safety first one, and it has adjustable things. So for him I should put it here, and for Kai I should put it down there. Also has adjustables for the bottom, for this part, for here's for like the smaller babies, and here's for the big ones. And it's just a nice green color. And I'm gonna get a stroller to match it soon. So right now it's just in this stroller. This is my book bag. But right now it's just on here. Yeah, so that's the stroller, and look at my new beadie bracelet. It's real heavy. Yeah. So this is how he looks in it. So bye. It's the magnetic posse.